What a mess. Jesus, what a disaster. And this is why I drove that to work the other day. What a mess. What an absolute mess. Luckily, she started up just fine. Bad news is, she's gonna need to get waxed when I get her done. Ugh. I'm sorry, I couldn't get you in a garage. Oh well. Better luck next time. There's the edge of the road. The only part of a snowman I could actually make today. News is right now everything's starting to thaw. Which was pretty cool. Let's go down here. What a mess.